Do you believe that you need 20% down to buy a home? Think again. Today we're talking all about first-time homebuyer programs. There are specific loan programs and incentives out there designed to make it easier for you to buy your starter home. Here are some of the most common ones you should know about. First up are FHA loans. These loans are backed by the Federal Housing Administration, and they let you put as little as 3.5% down. Credit score requirements are actually more lenient with FHA loans, so sometimes you can get that 3.5% down loan with a credit score in the 500. If you want to get a little better than that, let's talk conventional loans. Some conventional loans only require 3% down payment. For these loans, you will need a decent credit score, usually 620 or higher. If you have solid credit, a conventional loan could be a solid option for you. If you are in the military or were former military, you could qualify for a VA loan. VA loans are amazing because they are no money down. VA loans typically require a credit score around 580 or higher. Another option for zero down payment money needed is a USDA loan. These loans are backed by the Department of Agriculture and are for homes in eligible rural areas. Income limits do apply with a USDA loan. They're normally intended for low to moderate income buyers. And you'll need roughly a 640 or higher credit score in most cases. Check on this for the state where you live, but here where I live in South Carolina, we have some other optional housing assistance programs. We have, for instance, the SC Housing Homebuyer Program. Often you can get several $1,000s to cover your down payment and your closing costs. You'll just want to check with the lender about the details of these loan programs. So let's wrap things up with busting that myth. No, you do not need 20% down to buy a home. Not even close. You might only need 3 to 5% down, or maybe even zero money down. Combine that with historically low interest rates for well-qualified buyers, and you'll find out why so many people in their 20s and 30s are able to buy homes with way less money than they thought. So are you ready to explore your options?